Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Firefox. Firefox has been having these little incremental updates. So we're now at 136.0.3. If you go into the Firefox browser, upper right corner, hamburger menu, and go into Help and into About Firefox, you will see that there's a small update moving you to 136.0.3. It fixes one and only one little thing. Apparently, there was a lot of problems with the performance on TikTok with the browser. And so what they have done is tweaked and helped the performance of TikTok videos and TikTok content to actually appear faster and work better. So this is very specific fix, actually. Remember that there was a few other fixes in the last week. Went to a 0.1, 0.2. One of them was a fix of cookie limits that would have problems with cookie size. And that would happen with the browser not being able to save, for example, some website data because it would just didn't have any space. So they fixed that, and they fixed a few other things also within the browser. All rather minor problems, but they are there. So you can, of course, ignore it if you don't care about TikTok, but it will anyways update itself at some point with this fix for TikTok. So Firefox now at 136.0.3 as of today, March 25th, 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.